Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7. It's me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed from Beria Foundation College Noshar Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 1. The name of this chapter is the data processing cycle. So dear students, in this chapter we will learn about the stages of data processing. So these stages are known as the data processing cycle. So dear students, actually there are three stages that play the major role in processing data. So dear students, these stages are input data, processing and output. So dear students, on book page number 3 you can see that input means data. Data means raw material that is entered into the computer, that is served into the computer by entering with input devices. So dear students, whenever you are going to interact with your computer and you are going to give instructions or the set of programs by using input devices, this stage is known as input, and input means data. So dear students, after giving the input to the computer, a specific function takes place that is known as the processing. So dear students, processing is the process in which our instructions or data is converted into the meaningful result. So this meaningful result is displayed to us on the screen, or we can say on the LCDs or monitors, is known as output. Output means information. So dear students, sometime this question is asked that what is the difference between data and information? So dear students, data is the input, data is the raw material that is given to the computer by the input devices such as keyboard, USB, scanner, trackball, joystick and so on devices are used to give input to the computer. Dear students, information is defined as the result of processed data that is displayed on the screen is known as information. So dear students, information is received to us by another devices that are printers, speakers, plotters and some other output devices as monitor. So dear students, information is displayed throughout the output devices and data is entered to the computer through the input devices. So dear students, the basic definition of these three major topics, input, processing, information, is defined as input is the raw material or data given to the computer using the input devices. Processing is the stage in which input data is converted into the output information. Output information is the result of processed data that is displayed on the output devices. So dear students, in today's lecture we have learned about the major stages of data processing cycle, and in coming up lecture we will learn about the input stage and further about the processing and output information. So dear students, your homework based on the today's lecture is that you will have to study and understand about the topic 1.1.1 that starts from book page number 3 and ends to the book page number 4. So dear students, in input stage there are the subtopics: data collection, data capture, encoding, data transmission, data communication. So dear students, this is the homework that you will have to study in your homes on book page number 3 and 4 about the input stage. So dear students, today's lecture is winded up here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7th. Allah Hafiz.